Evangelist Charlotte Oduro was a counselor. Mami wo tufu pa. Ai, so wa worry nyinya said dem crash Charlotte. Wo draw den chine no den sun kakra gum no wa hit no. Ai no ma warale no aye yie mre bi kro kan se wo no. Won ja ne kunu because of cheating. Say ni kunu ko ne hu fi. Ana se ni kunu akowro ne ho atwero baby. Ana se ni kunu afa na chi no. E no ma no kwan se won ja ne kunu ho. Nti ni kunu cheat 10 times akura. Wo gira ho pintin. Wo be gira na chi edu baby a ware ne mu odin so. E wo se wo gira na be ma ne de kokudon so ba kura wo horo ho kama. Na wo san eda ho na pepa wani say bibianse because o build dia ware no. Mami yo bia wo tufu pa. See a cast motivational speaker pa. Ya mame Charlotte Oduro or ye one of them. Nenso fofia ntwata. Ne kunu e de ayi bia beto eye ni page. Eye awarija ye ho krata ewa. My hwemra.
I'm not losing my husband for any woman too. I won't do it. All because he cheated. Maybe the fault is coming from me. Maybe my husband has got history.
Solomon Oduro Ministries no. Press release. Solomon Oduro Ministries. Date Monday 10th February 2025. Official announcement on the dissolution of marriage between Apostle Solomon Oduro and Reverend Charlotte Oduro. Hey! Opposing and Rahumachina Made Danonso. Tuba Sorenak Brain. The whole Ghana news Kesia Betoron. Official announcement on the dissolution of marriage between Apostle Solomon Oduro and Reverend Charlotte Oduro. It is with a deep sense of responsibility and solemn reflection that Apostle Solomon Oduro officially announces the dissolution of his marriage to Reverend Charlotte Oduro. This decision has been reached after many prayer, discussion, and careful consideration. The couple has been separated for the past 3 years, and after further reflection and guidance, they officially dissolved their marriage traditionally last year, despite multiple efforts at settlement. Irreconcilable differences have necessitated this move. As a man of God, a public figure, and a role model to many, Apostle Solomon Oduro considers it his duty to as a man of God, a public figure, and a role model to many, Apostle Solomon Oduro considered it his duty to officially communicate this development to the public to prevent misinformation, speculations, or undue controversy. He humbly requests that this sensitive transition be met with understanding. Montana, at this juncture, Apostle Solomon Oduro earnestly call upon his loved ones, well wishes, and the body of Christ to uphold both himself and Reverend Charlotte Oduro in prayers. He remains steadfast in his commitment to his divine calling, the propagation of the gospel of Jesus Christ, and seeks the grace and support of all as he and his former wife negotiate his transition. Apostle Solomon Oduro deeply appreciates the continued goodwill, love, and prayers of all who have stood by him in his journey of faith. May the peace of God, which surpasses all understanding, guide all hearts and minds during this session of transition. Thank you. Issued by the Office of Apostle Solomon Oduro. Signed, ene o no mpacho
we a divorcee letter hey yes obi abogyeshe no na wo so wasansio esiu de hu senia counselor Charlotte Oduro cast onu de na ware de wonim de begu na ware so ede na baye na sesi aware atonshumi let's so be like Attention TV subscribe ama ye na wasanso a comment na ya kan ma ekwentua akra